best friend, the most beautiful bride you have ever seen is Sabat Kawata.
Clap,
Don't
clap,
join me? Let's start by congratulating Sadhya Sabat. May Allah bless us with you forever, inshallah. Secondly, I'd like to thank Zara for marrying Jawad. So happy to have met Sabat with her. I have known Sabat for 10 years. She has been such a good friend of mine. She has been there for good times and bad. She's always inspired me to be a better person. When she told me she liked Sabi and they were getting engaged, I was so happy. I have never seen Sabat's eyes sparkle like they do when she's around Sabi. Sabi, thank you so much for making Sabat so happy. She is very lucky to have you in her life. You will make an excellent husband. You inspire her to follow her passion. You motivate her so much. As Emily Conte said, whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same.